If you're looking to buy Tsuki Inu crypto tokens in your Trust wallet with the symbol TKINU, stay tuned. I will show you the best way to buy it with the lowest network fees and show you how to make it show up in your Trust wallet since it's just days old and still working on being listed on CoinGecko and other exchanges. I'll also show you how to buy Tsuki Inu crypto tokens within Trust wallet using Uniswap, even though it has higher network fees. I use Trust wallet to store my crypto tokens because having tons of different wallets are too much to handle, and it's easier to have everything in one spot. Trust Wallet supports more than 40 different blockchains, giving you access to over 30,000 tokens. Remember, cryptocurrencies have their own blockchains, whereas crypto tokens are built on existing blockchains. The best way to buy Tsuki Inu is with Trust Wallet combined with another app called Zerion. However, most people will tell you to use Uniswap even though it has much higher network fees. If you haven't created a multi-coin wallet with Trust Wallet, just download it at the App Store and set up your wallet. After setup, if you're on iPhone, more than likely you won't have the DApp Browser giving you access to any decentralized application on the Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum network because Trust Wallet removed the DApp Browser to comply with the Apple App Store guidelines. But it's easy to enable on your iPhone because all you have to do after installing Trust Wallet on your iPhone is open your Safari browser and type in this URL. And then just type go. I included in the instructions in the description. A prompt will appear to ask you if you want to open this page in Trust. Just tap on open. Tsuki Inu is an ERC20 token, so you need to buy Ethereum or convert your other coins to Ethereum from your Coinbase, Binance, or whatever you use and send it over to your Trust wallet. Using the Uniswap method, to buy Tsuki Inu TKINU tokens, we need to switch to the DApps tab and click on Uniswap. We will be swapping ETH, short for Ethereum, and next click Select Tokens. Since Tsuki Inu is new and isn't searchable yet, we need to click on Manage Token List. Then click on Tokens and paste in the token contract address. You can copy and paste it from etherscan.io by searching, or I'll have the contact address in the description. Make sure it starts with OXDA23 and ends with 9F14. You'll need to click Import TKINU, Tsuki Inu. You'll get this message that the token doesn't appear on the active token list. Just click Import here again. When buying Tsuki Inu on Uniswap, you'll have to set your slippage anywhere between 5 to 11% by clicking the settings cogwheel and typing it under slippage. Now enter the amount you want to swap. The network fees doing it this way are incredibly high. The best and cheapest way to do this is by connecting an app called Zerion. You can download it at the App Store. After downloading and opening Zerion, you just need to connect to a wallet and select Trust Wallet. It will ask you to share my public address, which you need to click on OK. Your Trust Wallet is now linked. Click on Invest at the bottom and search for Tsuki Inu. Go ahead and click Buy and I understand continue. Put in the amount of ETH you want to swap and click Review. Make sure you have enough Ethereum to cover how much you want to buy plus network fees. Otherwise, you will lose network fees if you don't. You may have to try to put in your Ethereum amount in a few times because of the amount of users doing it. Using either Uniswap or Zerion to buy Tsuki Inu crypto, you are probably going to ask yourself how to add Tsuki Inu to your Trust wallet. You do this by clicking this filter icon in the top right, and you can scroll to the bottom or just type in letters until you get Add Custom Token. You will need to paste in the contact address of Tsuki Inu, which I have in the description, or you can copy from etherscan.io. Put in the name Tsuki Inu, symbol is TKINU, and the decimals should be 9, and then click Done. You should be able to see your Tsuki Inu coins, in which I have 1.6 billion as of now. You won't see the charts on Trust Wallet for Tsuki Inu crypto because it is still getting approval on CoinGecko and other exchanges. You can use Zerion to see the price until it gets fully listed on Trust Wallet. This coin has a lot of momentum, launching just a few days ago and already has surpassed expectations, as you can see on the phases of the launch on the website. They just got an official stock tweet with the symbol TKINU.X. I'll put a link in the description, as well as the link to the Telegram, the official website, and the Twitter. Remember, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not intended to be investment advice. I'm merely showing you this information for educational purposes of what I am doing. I have also created a step-by-step guide showing you how to do this. You can click the link to get it.